TI StarterWare for DSP plus ARM processors enable fast and easy connectivity between the DSP and ARM cores.
StarterWare supports SoCs such as the OMAP L138, which has two cores, the ARM and the DSP. For the two cores to communicate, you need an inter-processor communication software, and IPC Lite was designed to support that. Okay, the way the software works is very simple. First, you need to initialize the data structure and synchronize the two processors. There are just a few APIs to initialize and start the notification process. Once the notification initialization is done, then Core A can notify the other core, Core B, by just issuing a notify send API. On the receiving end, there are two options. You can receive via interrupt or polling. In this example, for example, interrupt method is used. So once the notify send is issued, an interrupt will cause the callback function to be executed on the Core B side, and that basically pass the data from Core A to Core B. This example shows that Core B want to issue a notification to Core A, and on the Core A side, polling is selected, so it is using a notify wait event API to poll for a notification from the Core B. So that way, it can be waiting for event anytime it wants, instead of getting the data immediately using the interrupt method. So in terms of the features of IPC Lite, every time there's a notify send API's issue, there's a 32-bit payload associated with it. You can use it as a simple 32-bit value that is passed from Core A to Core B, or a pointer to a memory buffer, or you can use it to build more complex applications to suit your needs. The latency is very low, it's sub-microsecond, and the API is very symmetrical. The same API is used on Core A or Core B. IPC Lite comes with a polling and interrupt examples that sends notification back and forth between the ARM and the DSP cores. And the documentation is included with the package, as well as the source code. So go ahead and download the StarterWare and start playing with the examples and start using IPC Lite today. Thank you.